Are you looking to explore the neighborhoods in the most lively city on the planet, New York? Well then stay tuned, because I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of one of my favorite areas, the Upper West Side neighborhood of New York City. And on this neighborhood tour, we'll explore the best places for entertainment, fun things to do, the proximity of the parks, and we'll also take a quick look at the housing options that you'll find in this amazing, awesome, and wonderful Upper West Side area. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter McLean, and finding your home is my mission. The Upper West Side is one of New York City's most iconic and beloved neighborhoods. Situated between Central Park and the Hudson River, the Upper West Side boasts a rich history of diverse culture and a unique blend of residential charm and urban sophistication. Fun fact, this part of the city has been a popular filming location for numerous iconic movies and TV shows over the years. Some notable ones being How I Met Your Mother, which aired from 2005 to 2014. This show was set on the Upper West Side, and the main characters, Ted Mosby and his friends, often hung out at a basement bar called McLaren's. And Ted's home was in that same building. And this iconic building is right here on the Upper West Side. Another famous TV show, Seinfeld, is also set on the Upper West Side. The show's main characters, Jerry Seinfeld and his friends, often frequented local coffee shops and delis, giving viewers a glimpse into the neighborhood's everyday life. Let me begin by showing you the best landmarks and attractions of New York City that you can find right here on the Upper West Side. Now, no tour of the Upper West Side would be complete without a visit to its iconic landmarks and cultural institutions. Central Park, the crown jewel of New York City, serves as the neighborhood's eastern border, offering residents and visitors alike a tranquil oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of urban life. From leisurely strolls along the park's winding paths, picnics on the Great Lawn, Central Park provides endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and relaxation. Nearby, the American Museum of Natural History stands as a beacon of learning and discovery, housing an extensive collection of artifacts, exhibits, and interactive displays that showcase the wonders of the natural world. Visitors can marvel at the museum's dinosaur skeletons, explore the depths of the ocean in the Milstein Hall of Ocean Life, or journey through the cosmos in the Hayden Planetarium. If you're someone who loves the performing arts, as I do, Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts offers a diverse array of cultural experiences, including world-class concerts, ballet, opera, and theater. Now let's explore some of the best places for dining in this neighborhood. The Upper West Side is a culinary mecca, offering a tantalizing array of dining options to suit every palate and preference. From cozy cafes and neighborhood bistros to upscale eateries and international cuisines, the neighborhood's dining scene is as diverse as its residents. Locals and visitors alike flock to its iconic establishments like Barney Greengrass, known as the Sturgeon King, for its legendary bagels and lox, or Zabar's, a gourmet food emporium beloved for its smoked fish, cheeses, and specialty foods. For a taste of authentic New York-style pizza, Patsy's Pizzeria has been serving up delicious pies since 1933, while Jacob's Pickles delights diners with its southern-inspired comfort food and homemade biscuits. Meanwhile, gourmet food markets like Citarella and Fairway Market offer a feast for the senses with their impressive selections of fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and gourmet delicacies. It's time to shift our focus to the housing options in this beautiful part of New York. The Upper West Side is renowned for its diverse array of residential options, ranging from historic brownstones and pre-war apartment buildings to modern luxury high-rises and condominiums. Neighborhoods like the West End Historic District and Riverside Drive showcase the neighborhood's architectural heritage, with their elegant townhouses and apartment buildings adorned with intricate facades and ornate details. Talking about the real estate value in this neighborhood, let me tell you that the real estate on the Upper West Side has been booming, making it one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in New York. The area offers a mix of housing options, including luxury high-rise residential buildings, co-ops, townhouses, and walk-up apartments. The median listing home price in 2024 is close to $1.8 million, with price per square foot averaging $1,600. Residents of the Upper West Side enjoy access to a wide range of amenities and services, including top-rated schools, well-maintained parks, and convenient transportation options. With its proximity to Midtown Manhattan and easy access to public transportation, the neighborhood offers residents the best of both worlds. A tranquil residential enclave with all the convenience and excitement of city living. If you like this video and would like to see more content about moving to New York City, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Peter McLean, and I'm a real estate agent with Corcoran here in New York City. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and remember, your home is my mission.